Today, I'll show you how to give control of your screen in Microsoft Teams. If you're sharing your screen in a Teams meeting and want someone else to interact with it, Microsoft Teams has a built-in Give Control feature. Microsoft says that during a sharing session, the Give Control option appears in the top bar. And when it's enabled by policy, users can give, be given, or request control of a shared desktop or window. To get started, join a Teams meeting and begin sharing your screen or a window. Microsoft's Teams Meeting Help says you start by selecting Share in the meeting controls and then choosing the screen or window you want to present. Once you're sharing, move your mouse near the top of the screen so the sharing toolbar appears. That is where the Give Control option shows up during the presentation. Now click Give Control, then choose the name of the person you want to control your shared screen. Microsoft's documentation says the presenter can hover over the top of the screen to access this option, and Teams guidance also describes selecting the participant's name from the sharing toolbar to let that person interact with what you are sharing. After that, the other person can move around, make edits, or demonstrate something on the shared content while you continue presenting. If you want to stop it, select Take Back Control or end the sharing session. Teams guidance specifically notes that after giving control, you can resume control yourself from the sharing toolbar. There's also another way this can happen. If someone else wants control while you are sharing, they can choose Take Control. Microsoft says the person presenting must approve or deny that request before the other person can start interacting with the shared content. Once they have control, they can make changes until they release control or you take it back. One important thing to remember is that this feature may depend on your organization's Teams meeting policy. Microsoft says admins can control settings like participants can give or request control, and external participants can give or request control in the Teams admin center. So if the option is missing or grayed out, it may be disabled by your company or school. And that's how to give control of your screen in Microsoft Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.